to. We'll take a look at that in just a minute as well. Kind of recap what happened last week with us. If you missed us, we had a very good week, around 12 to 13,000 dollars. I can't remember exactly where we started off the week. Just I lost track, and we're sitting at 233,000. I believe we started off at 230,000 last week. 20,000. And so we traded some euro, we traded some Bitcoin. Friday was kind of a weird day because that's where we were trading the Bitcoin. We luckily made $1,000 on it and about 2,000 in euro USD pair. The If you're wondering, like, hey, well, you usually trade Euro USD trip pair. Why did you do Bitcoin? Well, that was solely on the purpose because Euro and USD didn't have the great return that we wanted. So that's when we jumped to Bitcoin and just to kind of swap it up a bit, right? So the market um, was kind of like that. So we're going to trade a little bit today as well. Now, if you're new to the channel, right, so you understand that the goal is about $1,000 per trading period. Of course, the bigger capital you get, the more you can kind of aim for, right? So something like this. But with 233,000, $1,000 is about right. It's honestly kind of a smooth area for us because it's just where it's not making too risky doing it because I constantly want to keep it growing. And I noticed that for my style of trading, and especially on pocket options, trying to aim for that goal or chasing the goal, which is a bad thing, is pretty bad to do. And that's simply because when you're um, doing this, you're a little bit more easily drawn to make risky trades. That's just what that's me. When I say you, that's about me. So I don't want to do that. We try to stay consistent, and as today goes, tomorrow goes, we're gonna try to do a little bit longer live streams. Maybe not today, it depends. Um, and not tomorrow, but Wednesday, right? So the next day. So we're gonna also try to make it not only longer but more often to trade because we're going to do some other trades as well. Let me go ahead and show you my screen. I'm sure you're tired of looking at my ugly face. Yeah, here you go. So we're going to soon be working on some different pairs, not just currencies, for example. Now, currencies are great, right? You have the CHF and Euro, which is doing really good. It's going up. And you have a bunch of different currency pairs, right? So these are really great to do. Mine that I'm liking to do, like I said earlier, is um, is the Euro US dollar. For some reason, I'm just trading really, really good on that. So that's where I like to do. But I think we'll do some commodities a little bit. It's just not a high payout. And maybe some stocks too, because I know I get a lot of messages about stocks. It's just if you notice, like some of these, it's not worth it, right? So we're gonna do those. You could do like some of the indices as well. Uh, and then of course you have like all your favorites down here. So I'll sit through and kind of like pay attention to what I want to do, and I guess we'll do crypto at some point. But even today, only Cardano and Bitcoin OTC are performing. So yeah. But I'll go through and set these up. You'll be with me because every time that I log in on Pocket Option, you're with me. Like literally with me. So you'll do it. You'll see as I'm doing it just to kind of show. So I haven't even like checked the market today. And you're like, well, how do you know that gold fell? Well, I get notifications constantly to do. So we will do that. What else? What else? What else? Yeah, we're gonna make some longer trades as well. So a longer live stream means a little bit breaking out of that that time frame that we're gonna be trading. So we're gonna kind of break out of the 1 minute a little bit, and we're gonna work with some others. uh, to just kind of check some trading here. Just after so long, you get kind of tired of it, and plus, trading on the 1 minute time frame is exhausting. Anyways, let's kind of jump into it and take a look. Yeah. So where were we last week? Oh, by the way, so we have some new guys on here, probably 233 in the real. Yeah, demos here just to kind of show you. But where were we last week? So I left everything up. Oh, it went up since last week. Okay, so I just want to go ahead and delete all of these. Super. 1 minute time frame does not give us a good idea. Let's go to the 4 hour. Oof, perfect. Starting at the very top here, we are in a downtrend. Yeah, downtrend. 4 hours, hour downtrend, 15 minutes downtrend. Okay, don't even need to look at it anymore. Pretty obvious, and that's what we're looking for. So you want an obvious downtrend. So let's go ahead and go to the 1 minute time frame. Okay, so for the newcomers here, yeah, about right here, where we want it to be. We're gonna make a trend line. I just want that trend to kind of come up right there and touch on that. We're gonna make that nice and fat. So I'm just taking my time today. I'm gonna be taking my time a lot more often instead of like rushing through. We want that so we can kind of pay attention to it. It's not such a great trend line. I mean, we can, honestly. Why is it? There we go. Right here would be better. Mm, yeah. Something a little bit respecting. So we know if we're getting up there, we don't want to enter a trade. And we're going to kind of wait that off, but we'll set everything up. Okay, so this is kind of the area where we're going to be paying attention to. I'm just going to make that a little bit longer if I can. Stupid thing, move. Why? Get out of my way, bro. I don't want that. Oh, move that out of the way for right now. Let's fix this because it is important. Okay, make it just a little bit longer for us. There we go. Good deal. All right. Now we got a better sense because that's out of our way. Okay. And now we need our 1, 2, 3. Say 4 for right now, just to not clutter it up. All right. Dots in my way when I drag on it. there. Go a little bit. Uh-huh. Nothing for a while there. So about right here is where we can see some push, I think, coming off in this price action before it dips down, just because we have these wicks. So that's why I'm putting it there and not at the bottom here, because this is like really quick and this has changed, but we have some solid candles getting rejected at the bottom because of the wicks. So we're going to go off that here at the bottom of this green candle and this red candle too. So that's why there. Obviously, we're too low to enter a trade right here, so now we're waiting. Let me change this color too, just not to get confused. Let's do blue, usually pink, uh, violet. Now, if it comes up here close to the top, 400, we don't want to enter that yet because usually we get the pooch on that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 2 minutes and 40 seconds last time. Pretty good. Up, that we were there and I missed it. Let it go up just a little. Now, if it breaks up like right here, and this convex right here, and that's what that's really called, is a convex. If it goes up over and closes above this right here, it's going to go up like big time. Rejection, and we might have missed it, but we're going to wait. Just waiting for our moment. Just waiting because we want a good opportunity coming in. Not a whole lot of volume. This is why we like instability a little bit when it's a little bit longer, a little bit of it. Like right here. That's really what we wanted. Hmm. Maybe like a little bit less. And this is the boring stuff. The waiting. I was wanting to put a line down here at the bottom, but we haven't had anything for quite some time. Like you can see, we were, I mean, for a very long time. There we go. Bouncing off that. Mm, close below it. He could fight to get up higher. Mm, I'll take $100 from here. Here was our trades from last time. Yeah, that's what I thought it's gonna be. But that's why $100 was there. Just kind of to at least put something in. Yeah. Definitely need longer, but that's fine. Okay. Whatever. Now what? Ah. I was expecting it to go up a little bit more, but okay. And this pair is on a strong downtrend. Waiting for your messages. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Very good. All right. Fantastic. It was the right move. And there goes one. this might be the bottom. And it's reacting here. So now we got a confirmation on this one, on this bottom. And we about made our daily goal already. So $1,000. Um, let's see what the price action is going to do. Something about this is like annoying the piss out of me. Come on, where is that? Whoa, way the hell back here. Several days ago. So we'll take that top one, put it about right here. And this one too. Let's shoot over here. So we have a new window. We gotta wait a bit longer. Slow. God, just the volume's not there. Okay, so some new lines here. Hmm. Man, it's moving strong today. Down. I'm iffy about this one because not only the rejections coming off, but we don't have a solid touch on a trend line. And I'm halfway expecting it to. But this candle shows that it was going down. A double up here, but very dangerous because we are sitting on a support level. $91. It's not good. It's iffy too, but we're gonna go with it. Those others closed. Very iffy. Yep, that's why I was a bit iffy. And that's not good because the excitement's going to pump up probably before we get to 30 seconds, but we'll see. Nope. Now, just a keynote while we're waiting on this to take place. When you notice I'm going way, way, way back on the 1 minute time frame to put my support, my window of opportunity lines, which are the support and the resistance. Yeah, this is, oh, okay, fantastic. A good idea to jump a few candles, a few time frames ahead. Probably the 5 minute would be better just to kind of get an idea, and that's the perk to setting those on the 5 minute. But I just want them to be a little bit more dialed in since I'm actually entering and exiting on the 1 minute. I want my lines there. So just to kind of give you there. I'll show you what I mean. We'll go to the 5 minute time frame. We reached our goal, by the way, the 1,000, and it is such a low market. Uh, oh man, way out here. Yeah, and we're gonna put one more line right here. It is at about. Let's see. Let's put it here, and I think we'll see it too. And we're gonna make it this color. Shoot over. We'll go to the 1 minute. Yeah, there we go. Now you see how it bottomed out, almost exactly how it was done. Like bottomed out right here. See, that's what I meant by that. Literally bottomed out. Mm-hmm. See it here. Here's very strong. Very, very strong. Where we initially put it. Mm-hmm. Now remember, it's not going to be exact as always, but you kind of get an idea. And go back to the 1 minute. Yeah, it bottomed out there. That's what I thought it would. Low window of opportunity here. Mm. The market's just not sitting where we want it to be. Not at all. Mm. Maybe that was a bit risky, but I went for it. Hey, wait a second. I put three. I wanted to roll it over. Ah, it did it to me again. Okay, well, it kind of saved me. So, All right, well, it worked out for me either way. Hey, man, what to do in this market right now? Let's see what the volume's doing everywhere else. Also, there's just the volume is insanely slow. Oh, it's the boring side of it. God. I mean, it's very comfortable. We don't really have too many losing trades. I think about one from $100, just like playing around. Uh, 3, 500. Oh boy. Mm-hmm. Ah, no. Ah, it did it to me again. See how it changed. I hope you guys seen like how that changed on me. Yeah. Horrible how it did. Yeah. Did not expect that. Shit. That is so bad. Mm-hmm. Yeah. Oh, that's so annoying. Mm-hmm. Okay. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. And we got the pooch. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Now we're on the upward side of things. Mm-hmm. If we could break even, would be great. And that's what we'll do. We'll break about even, which I won't complain. Hmm. Okay, this is gonna be the last trade for sure. I'm not losing any more money. I have about 4 minutes left, so let's see how we're going to do. Either I would have lost $4,000, or break even maybe with 1,000 left over. But I have about 4 candles to make this happen. So let's see. Good. Another waiting game. It's a stressful day today. Well, go down. Crush below this area, please. As they're coming down, we have a lower high, which is good, but it could range off a little bit, and that's what we don't want. Ugh. Stressful as shit. This is good. Putting some distance. No, don't want it close. Especially when new candles are forming, when we have that countdown. Yep, bro. Crank on down. 1 minute and 30 seconds. There we go. Be a good girl. This is not our day, and this is why I will walk away. Oh, Come on, come on. Yes. Give me something. 30 seconds in. No. A huge rejection coming off to the top. Drop down 20 seconds. Fall. Fall. Come on. Just in 10 seconds. Yes. Fall. No. Damn you. Watch, it'll crash down. This is what will happen. It'll like completely crash down right after it liquidates me. And there we go. So we lost 4 grand. Okay. Well, obviously today I lost. So it happens. I got screwed over a couple of times with some mistakes and this doubling over. It's not all of my mistakes, but I did kind of get excited. So that means take a break, right? We'll do it again on Wednesday. Come through. Like either way, we're still up 10 grand from last week. So a total from this week and last week, till still $10,000 in profit. And that's good. Yeah. So I will work on figure out well what's going on. I'll go back and replay everything and see. And yeah, we'll do that. So until then, guys, thank you for joining me, and we'll try to make some more money then. Right. Thank you guys for watching. I will see you again on Friday. Right. Be sure to message me. Well, not Friday, Wednesday. So have a great day. Stay safe in this market. Just happens sometimes, and I'll see you next time.